Hey YouTube, what is up and welcome back to tutorial number 9. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make a list in HTML. So why don't we just change our title, because we haven't changed this in the past 9 tutorials, and just say this is the list tutorial. I think I spelled that right. Okay, awesome. So like I said, in this tutorial we are going to make lists. And the first thing I want to let you guys know is that there are actually 2 different types of lists in HTML. You get unordered lists and then you get ordered lists. Now, unordered lists are basically lists that have bullet points next to each item. Like you can write them each item in any order. It doesn't have to be a specific order to each item that you want in the list. And then you have ordered lists which have the numbers next to them, and then obviously those are items that have to be in order, like if you were going to give someone steps to doing something. So why don't we go ahead and just dive straight into this and make an unordered list. So to make an unordered list we use the tag UL, and then to end it off /UL. And there we go. Now we've told HTML that we want to make an unordered list, but to actually give our list some content we need to add in a list item. So that is basically smaller than greater than sign, and then li for list item, and then obviously you need to end this off with a /li. And there we go. Now we can start adding items to our list. So I'm just actually going to copy paste this quickly. And why don't we just make it a list of foods that I don't eat. So I'm just going to give this list a title real quick. And I've showed you guys how to make headers, so don't lose track of this. And let's go food I don't eat. So now you guys get to learn a little bit more about me in my tutorial. How cool is that? And the first food that I do not eat is tomatoes. Now I call this tomatoes, you guys might call it tomatoes or something, but I absolutely hate tomatoes, whether they're cooked or not. Just ugh. And the second food that I don't eat is bananas. I really don't like bananas. Bananas, or a banana, depending on where you are in the world again. And the third food I do not eat is grapes. I do not like grapes. And seeing as all of them are fruit, you might as well throw a vegetable in here and be like spinach. I absolutely hate spinach. So there we go. Let's go ahead and save that. And now I'm going to run this in Firefox. And there we go. That's what an unordered list looks like, with a whole bunch of bullet points next to each list item. And yeah, there we go. We've got foods that I do not eat: tomatoes, bananas, grapes, and spinach. Blech. Really don't like those foods. Anyways, so that's how we make an unordered list. Let's just go ahead and make an ordered list quickly, and then we can tell the difference between the two. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and copy paste this header real quick as well. Boom. And seeing as it's an ordered list, we're going to have to give it some order. So let's just give it a title here of like how to write awesome websites. And now the keyword for an ordered list is going to be OL for ordered list, and obviously /OL for ending ordered list. And in here we're gonna have to put in a whole bunch of list items like we did in the previous list, /li, and let's just go ahead and copy paste that because I am feeling lazy. Cool. And now what we can do is add in our first step, and our first step to learning how to write awesome websites is open your web browser. Ooh. And the second step can be like, go to my YouTube channel, because you guys really should visit that channel. It's pretty awesome. And the next one is watch my HTML. Oh, what the hell? How did I? Okay, so let's just go ahead and move that text up. I don't know how I landed up getting that down onto the next level. So the next step you need to do is watch my HTML series, and then I guess the last step would be to practice, and the more you practice the better you get, and the better you get, yeah, then you can start writing your own websites and going to publish them and stuff. So let's run this in Firefox now. And now we get two different types of lists. Over here we've got our unordered list, which is the bullet points, and you guys saw that already. And then over here we have our ordered list, which is basically numbered and with all the steps in order and what order to do them in. So guys, thanks for watching. That's all I have for you in this list tutorial. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you really click that subscribe button. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to comment, like, or share my videos. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.